My name is Chef Christine, and today we are making a sweet potato side dish. We already have our sweet potatoes in the oven and cooled off. We want to go ahead and peel these. We're going to start off with the edges. We're going to just peel it like a banana. We're going to add in our egg. We have a little bit of vanilla for flavor. And we have some milk. And of course, every good side dish has a little salt. So we're just going to blend this together until it's nicely smooth. So once you're all nicely blended, we can put this into our casserole dish. And we'll just smooth that out a little. So we'll set this aside for a moment, and we're going to make our topping. So we have some chopped pecans, our brown sugar, flour, and some margarine. We just want to mix this in to make a nice crumb topping. Before adding your margarine, make sure it's nice and cold. So now that our crumb topping is nicely mixed together, we're going to add this on top of our bake. We just want to make sure our edges are nice and clean. So we're going to just take a little towel and just clean off the edges so we have nothing to burn. We're going to just sprinkle this right on top to give a nice little crunch. Even that out. Now, one great thing about this recipe is you could definitely stop at this point and wrap it up and refrigerate for a few days. Or we could go ahead and put it in our preheated oven. So our sweet potato side dish should be about ready with a beautiful golden top. A great holiday side dish, best served hot.